Look what we're doing today. The Talon is getting a swamp donkey. So, show you how to do that. It comes with a, yes, it's a, I can't flip the camera. It's got a Sony head unit. It's just a AM/FM Bluetooth, and it says, if I remember right, NFC. If I remember, I don't know. I read it online.
I don't like NFC anyways. Bluetooth's...
Well, apparently the NFC is supposed to help you pair your Bluetooth quicker. You just touch the phone to it and it's done.
Oh, baloney.
I don't know. That's what it said. Yeah.
We call baloney
Yeah.
until we see it.
But I was bored last night and I was waiting on Adam so we can do this video. So I had unhooked it and hooked up some things to the battery so I could hear it and see what it sounded like. Sounds pretty good. Let's get it hooked up and we'll show you guys what it sounds like. We'll start with...
It's real simple.
Yeah.
It's real simple. It's a one-person job, but...
I would recommend two because...
It is wide.
And it's not that it's heavy, but it's heavy.
Oh, I guess before Blake gets too excited, here is your hardware.
Yeah.
And then this is your fancy dancy remote.
Yeah. Which it's right in front of your face, so I don't know why you'd need it unless a passenger in the back seat or something wants to control the radio. First step is if you have a windshield, which I've already done, take it off. Next step, if you have a mirror, your mirror will work as long as it's got some extension brackets because, oh, excuse my hands there. As you can see, mine are long. It gets my mirror down below where the radio is going to sit. So I went ahead and loosened it and lowered it down so it'd be out of the way. First step is to take those brackets and throw them on the cage. And we'll do that right now. Okay, you might be able to do this by yourself. I don't know.
Yeah, I was mistaken, everybody.
Well, it even says in the instructions that you can do it by yourself, but it's best to have a buddy. Anyways,
buddy system.
have somebody in there. He volunteered to sit in there and hold it, so that's on him. It's not terrible heavy, but I mean, it's heavy to sit there and hold it while somebody's running around screwing this in. There is no holes, as you can see.
There's nothing.
There's no hole. So you just take your drill, your screw, and you run it in the thing. So I'm going to do that so he doesn't get too tired holding it.
And then I'm just going to hold it right here and he's going to run the drill.
So we'll be right back when it's done. Let it down just a little bit. There. Oops. Push it that. Oh, you can't.
It'll pull it towards you once you start going. Just... Whew. Okay. Outside screws are in. So this is some hard stuff, people. This is some hard stuff.
Be careful that you don't strip it.
Yeah. So, okay, last two.
All right, so we got the clamps screwed in. Adam, show them that black spacer on the.
This one right here.
Take the camera.
Oh,
Show them that black spacer to put in between there.
there's the black spacer that they provided with the screws.
Like I said, be very careful to not strip it. I might have stripped one of them. I got a little gung-ho on it. I was able to fix it though, so it's good to go. The mirror.
This is what I see.
You lose out on it.
Yeah, you lose a little bit because this piece right here kind of has a drop to it, but it's not bad. It's still way better than absolutely nothing.
Oh, and I I'm not too worried about it because I got these mirrors, these Chupacabra mirrors.
Oh, yeah.
They're stupid easy to install. That's why I didn't do a video on them.
Yeah, shout out to Chupacabra for lifetime warranty.
Yeah, lifetime. You bust one of these things, and they send you a new set or a new mirror.
And look, they do everything.
Yeah. And they hold. I took it off-road with these mirrors, and they held. They didn't vibrate or nothing, so they're good.
Chupacabra, right there. There's the sticker.
I'll put a link in the description below.
Amazon, baby.
And I'll have a link in the description below for this radio.
So far, the only thing Blake is upset about on this radio is they didn't give him a sticker.
Yeah, I'm pissed off. Send me stickers. I got a toolbox.
Yeah, that's what we wanted, stickers.
Yeah.
So Swamp Donkey, you hear it? Contact us. We want a sticker.
What'd you do over there with the wiring, Adam?
So the wiring comes out. Let me see. Just comes out of the box right here on a nice little port, and then I just ran it over the top of Blake's bar.
We're gonna cut these zip ties. This is the light bar harness right here.
Yeah, we'll just.
So I'm gonna route it down with it and zip tie it back up. I haven't figured out yet where I'm gonna hook it up. So when I figure that out, I'll show you.
Yeah.
But I have so much. I have probably 50 pounds of wiring on this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's all done. So once we get this routed, we can put the windshield back on. We already fixed the mirror.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Tightened down.
Everything's ready to go. We're just down to wiring.
All right. Well, we'll figure it out, and we'll come back and show you what we did. Okay, so I routed the wire down. I'm going to have to zip tie it, clean it up. It comes into, you tuck it through there. You route it in. Yes, I have a lot of wires. I rolled them up, zip tied them to the cage. Then I took the wires and hooked them up to here with the, this is the winch relay or whatever you want to call it. And that's connected to the power and ground that are already routed by Honda. So I am going to make a recommendation. I'm going to have to do it pretty quickly because I'm not going to be able to run everything at the same time. Invest in the 2 battery setup for the Honda Talon. This is too much power draw. It's bad for your transmission because it won't be able to shift. So invest in the second battery kit. You need it. Especially with running a winch and light bar, the whips. I mean, radio. Yeah, invest in the second battery.
For us Kawasaki guys, they make a alternator kit for that unit, so I can put an alternator directly on mine. So when I get this much stuff, that will get an alternator kit.
Yeah, so make sure you do that. I'm going to be doing it very soon. I'm just gonna be easy on what I run. So all I'm gonna do is throw this back on. I had to remove that. It's just a bunch of push pins, some Allens, and a couple 10 millimeters.
2 10 millimeters here.
Yeah.
There. And then your Allens are here, 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 and here.
And there.
And there.
So do that. I'm gonna button this up. We're gonna call it that. Oh, I can't.
No, it ended it.
Oh, I can't video and.
Hold on. Can I Bluetooth to it?
Yeah. All right.
Kansas City.
It's working.
You ready?
You got dome lights?
You ready? 3, 2,
and turn them off with this switch.
Welcome to the
And you turn your radio off with that switch. So, works pretty good. It's super loud. Like, I was not expecting how loud it is. Yeah. If you have any questions, comment down below. Super easy install. Maybe 30 minutes with 2 people. I'll put links in the description below for the soundbar, the Swamp Donkey. Also, can't remember if there was anything else I was going to put a link in there for. Like, I don't know if I think of it. There'll be links down there. Click on them.
Something else that we don't talk about, and I just thought about this, is if you don't want to comment on the video because you're worried about trolls, saying something to you, we have a Facebook page at Two Mostly Bald Guys Facebook. You can private message us, and it goes to both of our phones. So, and we answer questions on there all the time.
Yeah.
So
It's a lot easier on there because we get a lot of comments.
yeah.
So it's hard to keep up with them all. If you go to Facebook, it's a little bit easier. It pops up and I can't get past it without, seeing it. So,
Yeah, without seeing a notification.
Yeah. So, yeah, follow us on Facebook. Two Mostly Bald Guys. And that's it.
Yep.
We'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.